Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Travel Town. In order to do so, here we are in Travel Town for iOS, and we'll just do a few moves here so that you can see for yourself what Travel Town is all about. It's fairly simple, but it is quite fun. It's nothing that you have to think about too much. So if you're just looking for something fun to do while you're traveling around, you might want to play with Travel Town. So let's go ahead and tap on the item to add it to the board. And we're going to merge our buckets here. And we're going to merge these buckets here. And then now that we have these merged, we're going to tap, 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 tap. And you can see here now we have a bunch of pebbles. And then from there, it's pretty much just a matter of combining similar items, and then those turn into other items, and you just keep combining those. And then when you run out, you have more space, then you got to tap your bucket again. And that is pretty much the loop to Travel Town. We'll just take a few moves here so that you can kind of see where this goes. And then eventually what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be making money along the way. You can see up here at the top we've got coins. Right now we don't have any coins, but we do have, it says here go. So we're going to go ahead and hit go. And you can see here now that now we've made some money. So we're going to combine similar items. And then we hit go up here. There we go, we've made some more money. So that is pretty much the loop to Travel Town. You keep on making stuff, combining similar items, and then when you have combined enough of them, then you can make some more money. So pretty simple, but it's actually pretty fun. Again, something to do when you're on the bus, on the train, you're trying to pass some time, and you're just trying to relax, you might want to play some Travel Town. Let's check this bucket here. Okay, we've got 2 buckets now. So there we go. And we can combine a castle here. Go hit go. And then let's see if we can go to our map here real quick. So there you go. So this is our main map. And what you can do is as you gain more money, you can upgrade your town. And that's basically the objective of Travel Town is you go, you match items, you make money, and then you come back to your town and you upgrade your town. So in brief, I would say that Travel Town is a fun little game. If, again, you're looking for something that doesn't spend too much brain energy, you just want something simple while you're traveling around, take a look at Travel Town. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.